Hello Stallions! Today I'm going to be showing you 3 different ways you can add texture to your art. The first way is called visual texture, and you'll have this handout to help you. Visual texture is something you would want to draw with a Sharpie or pencil, and it's just a really great way to add extra detail to your art and make it look awesome. Now I'm going to pick some select areas to add my visual texture. So I want to leave some blank spots for my other ideas. Okay, now that I have some special areas for my visual texture, I'm now going to show you another way you can add texture. At your table, you're going to have a selection of rubbing plates. Pick one that you like. Here's mine. You want the bumpy side to be underneath your artwork. I'm going to be working on this petal, so I want to make sure the rubbing plate is directly under this petal. I'm going to grab my special rubbing crowns that are in my basket, and I'm going to select color that I like. Now we're not going to be coloring with the tip of the crown like we would normally. We want to actually use the flat end like this, and we're going to press down and rub at the same time over the area of our petal. We want to try to stay in our lines as best we can. Again, we're going to be saving all of our petal spaces for other ideas. I'm going to go ahead and do this big one here. And the final technique we're going to learn today is another type of printmaking. You're going to take little pieces of torn up tissue paper and you tear it to whatever size you need. Use your water cup to spread some water out in the area of your petal that you want to cover. And you're going to lay the tissue over the top. You can even add a little water to your tissue. When your paper is dry, Mrs. Hips and I are going to remove all of this spare tissue and reveal your final results to you when you get back to your next art class.